Hi, this is Sandra with another XDR Clinical Minute. This is part 4 of our series on the XDR holder kit. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to assemble a vertical Bitewing holder. In front of me, I have two bite pieces, a size 1 and a size 2, both for vertical Bitewings. The way you can determine which one is a size 1 or a size 2 is the size 1 is a little smaller and black. The size 2 is a little larger and white, and each bite piece is labeled with VBW. I'll be demonstrating how to assemble a size 2 vertical Bitewing holder, since that is the most commonly used sensor. And to put together the size 2 vertical Bitewing holder, of course you want to take your sensor and you'll have a barrier on it for infection control. I like to pull the plastic back so I don't have a lot of excess plastic hanging off the sensor. You're going to take your bite piece and you want to snap the sensor into place. You don't want to slide it in, because then you'll end up tearing your barrier. So you snap one side in, snap the other side in. You want to position the sensor in the mouth to where the cable is always pointing towards the palate. It makes it a lot easier for positioning. And you can use it just like this. It works very similar to a tab without an aiming rod or a ring. But if you do want to use an aiming rod and ring, you can do that also. For the paralleling guide system, you want to find the rod that is labeled Bitewing. And once you find that rod, then you're going to take the little pegs on that rod and you're going to place them into the holes on your bite piece. So you just place the pegs into the holes there. And you're going to take your ring, and your ring is labeled also. One end says BW-ANT. That lets you know what side to put the ring on, and we want the Bitewing end, so we're going to take our ring, place it onto our aiming rod. You have a place for your cable. There's a little clip here for your cable. And then once you put your cable in place, then everything is good to go, and you want to make sure that your sensor is centered within the ring, and then you're able to take size 2 vertical Bitewings with your paralleling guide system. Now you can use this same bite piece with your H-stick guide system. You just take your bite piece off. We'll place this off to the side here, and you want to use the H2 stick. Now this H2 stick is labeled. One end has BW there, the other end has PA, and you want to use the BW end for Bitewings, and then you're going to place the pegs into your bite piece just like that, and you can use it in this position without an aiming rod or a ring. But if you do want to use the rod and ring, then you'll take this piece here. This is your rod. You're going to take the pegs on here and place it into the H2 stick. Then you'll take your ring, going to slide your ring into place. You have a little clip on the ring here also for your cable if you want to use that. And as long as you can see the sensor centered within the ring, then you can take vertical Bitewings with your H2 stick using the H-stick guide system. Now you can do the same thing with a size 1 sensor. This works really good on people with very small mouths, and it gives you a little bit of a handle here, and it just makes it a lot easier to position in the patient's mouth. You'll end up having to take 3 Bitewings on each side, but you can get everything you need on an adult that way. You can also use it with an aiming rod and a ring with the H2 stick, but if you want to use your paralleling guide, you can do that also. Just take your Bitewing rod, place the pegs into the bite piece, place your cable onto the stick if you want to use that, and as long as your sensor is centered within the ring, then you can take size 1 vertical Bitewings using your paralleling guide system. Now that's how you put together your vertical Bitewings using your paralleling guide system or your H-stick system. For more information on how to put the holders together or information on the XDR holder kit, please call the XDR number and ask for a clinician, and they'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching part 4 of our series on the XDR holder kit, and we'll see you in part 5.